There will be no state charges against the LMPD officers or Kentucky National Guard members involved in the death of a beloved barbecue business owner in Louisville. David McAtee was shot and killed by a National Guardsman on West Broadway at the height of the protests last June. Now, a few days before that very date, the Jefferson County Commonwealth's attorney has made a final ruling the shooting was justified. The Night Team's Tyler Emery is live right now with more on the new developments and what the documents are telling us tonight. Tyler?
Well, Doug, Tom Wine, the Jefferson County Commonwealth's attorney, ruled that he won't be pursuing criminal charges or be presenting the case to a grand jury because he says that the two LMPD officers and the two Kentucky National Guardsmen were all acting in self-defense.
Just days from the one-year anniversary of the shooting on June 1st last year, David McAtee's death is ruled justified.
Cops will rarely, if ever, face accountability for use of force.
Attorney for the McAtee family, Steve Romines, says both he and the family are disappointed but not surprised by Tuesday's announcement.
Ordinary citizens get charged. Police do not.
McAtee was shot and killed by a Kentucky National Guardsman minutes after LMPD and the National Guard responded to 26 and West Broadway to disperse a crowd.
It is what led up to David firing his weapon that caused this entire situation.
Jefferson County Commonwealth's attorney Tom Wine wrote in his newly released report, one LMPD officer, Katie Cruz, fired pepper balls in the direction of McAtee's barbecue business. McAtee then fired his gun, and two LMPD officers, including Cruz and two National Guardsmen, fired back in McAtee's direction. 19 shots in total.
They may have a justification once he shoots the gun. However, as I said, everybody else has to present that to a jury and see if a jury agrees.
Wine ruled McAtee firing his gun posed an immediate threat of death or serious injury to law enforcement, making their use of deadly force justified.
Do police have a hard job? Sure they do. Should they be treated with a separate set of laws than everybody else? No. They have the same defenses that are available to them by the law. Police don't have any extra right to self-defense.
Investigators know McAtee was killed by a single National Guardsman's bullet, but it was too fragmented to tell which Guard member fired it. The report, newly released by Kentucky State Police and LMPD, was overdue, according to Romines.
There's no valid reason to wait a year to say, oh, we're not going to do anything. We're washing our hands off.
McAtee's family still has an outstanding civil lawsuit against the city, police department, and law enforcement members involved. A federal investigation into McAtee's death is also still ongoing.
Governor Andy Beshear also spoke on this today, saying he believes the report was thorough, but that the public should be able to view it and decide for themselves based on the facts presented in the case. We do have that full 24-page report from the Jefferson County Commonwealth's Attorney's Office up on our website right now at WHAS11.com. Live downtown tonight for the Night Team, I'm Tyler Emery.